If you see these dogs in your front yard, just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
302 gang, we are back with another banger, man. And like I said, man, I'm starting dropping way more content now. Like, you know, it's like we're getting in preparation for race season. So like I told y'all, I'm gonna be dropping way more content now. Like I'm gonna make sure. I've been being lazy, I've been, you know, doing other stuff, but we back to all car content now. So in this video today, I don't know if you just seen the video I just posted. That wasn't today, that was the other day. And yeah, man, remember I told you we had a package coming in. Now I really thought it was gonna take a while, but it got here a lot faster than I thought it was going to. But yeah, so the package is here, as you can see, and this is just the first package of what we gonna be doing. I told y'all I'm in the process of getting ready for the spring, you know, getting ready for this race season, you know, whatever. So this is the first step of the day. I need y'all to make sure you like this video and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're doing for race preparation for the springtime and all that. Let's get this video started, baby.
Let's get it. Every time I fall, I go even harder. Every time I lose, I get even smarter. This is not a movement you can be a part of. Nigga says up, we take it even further. Met black jets in the bucket now. Riding in the phantom with 100 rounds. Heard these niggas talking, I can't come around. Lambo in the trenches, that's him coming down. Pop up in your city like I tell.
Okay, so now I won't be installing this today because I got things to do. I gotta go to work, I gotta do a couple other things. So I won't be installing them today, but this is just a video of an unboxing. You know the unboxing they be doing on YouTube, whatever. All right, so let's unbox this thing. I'm gonna try to do it at the same time while I'm holding the camera, so y'all bear with me. And y'all won't believe how much I got this for. I got this for a super steal. Shout out to my boy Jay and my boy Joe for tagging me in this on IG. They definitely looked out big time with this, because this is a super steal. Like, you wouldn't even believe it. Well, let's get it open. Damn, this thing hard to open. Dang, I didn't know it was gonna be this hard to open. I would have did it off camera, but it's all good. Let's get it open, baby. I ain't have a knife, so I'm using a flathead screwdriver just like a crazy mechanic would. Yeah. Almost there. Alright. This side is open. You can already see what it is already. Dang, I ain't wanted to pop up like that, but I ain't know it's gonna be right there in your face. But oh well, as you can see, baby, Viking Performance. Come on, man, open up. I'm trying to show them. Damn. Come on, man. Come on. All right, here we go. Bam, baby, check me out, boy. Viking Performance. Now, like I said, I got these for a good deal. They are used, but from the pictures, they look brand new, really. So let's see if they look just like the pictures looked. Let's open it and take a look. Oh my God, look at it. They still got it wrapped in the paper and everything. Let's see. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh yeah. Check me out, man. I always wanted some of these, man. I really did. And I was gonna pay what the market price was, and you know the market price for these is super expensive. Like, I believe they was like what, 300 a piece or something like that. But as you can see, we got some, baby. Let's open the other one before I get too happy. Let's make sure both of them look good, just like this. This one up. Oh yeah, this one is wrapped beautifully too. In the paper. Oh yeah, baby, check me out. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, we definitely gonna put these to good use. Cause as y'all know, I have some of the worst traction issues in history. Like for real. But these are definitely help with a lot of that. Like I said, I'm the power department, I'm pretty good. As you can see, I'm pretty good in the power department. But yeah, these, you know, you gotta put the power down to the ground too, and you can't do that without the proper support and modifications. So we working on that piece by piece, but we going, oh look, and I got a sticker. Oh, and I got a sticker. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on the car, but that's a nice sticker, man. Oh yeah, that's nice, that's nice. For real. Oh yeah, let me put this back in here. But yeah, man, as you can see, we are making the proper steps to making sure that we get what we need. Now, this is, of course, this is just step one. I need way more, because as you know, my car has absolute. All I got on my car is a sway bar in the back. That's the only thing I got, I believe. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, I definitely need a lot more things. Like I'm gonna get a you know, I still gotta get a one-piece drive shaft, upper lower control arm. Still a lot of things I gotta get. But as you can see, finally I'm making the steps towards that part of it. I did this part of it already, but you know, I'm making the steps to get the extra stuff. Need a drive shaft, a couple of things I need. So it's cool, but we're making progress, man. We're making a lot more progress. I gotta definitely get some more data logs done, so I could send that off to Lund Racing and let them look at the car, make sure everything is running in tip-top shape. I actually need some more. What I think? Do I need some more radios? Can you see the lines? They are at the line that they what you call that line? To let you know. Oh no, what, they actually still kind of deep. So I don't know. These might be still good. I know once I really start beating on the car again, and which will, like I said, which will probably be this weekend. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure you turn your post notifications on, because might have a little surprise for y'all. Might be running a little green goblin or something like that. I don't know. So, you know, and it ain't American made. So you do the math. But yeah, man, like I said, just we keep making these steps. We keep making steps to get ready. Got some more things going on. I'm probably gonna I definitely got to get the tune up. I already changed the oil the other day. What else? Besides that, yeah, man, you know, we doing pretty good. I think I'm having a little issue with this turbo right here. I believe it's seen some smoke coming from it, so might be leaking, I think, but it's alright, man. I had this kit on for about 2 years now. I done drove all the way to Mustang Week with it and back. I done did a whole bunch of racing. I raced on the track with it, did a lot of street racing with it. So to me, if you ask me, I think On 3 is pretty good, because this kit lasted a long time with no issues at all. I even blew the motor, but the kit was still fine. So anybody that got On 3 cylinder, hey man, maybe it's just you. So it's just how it go. But yeah, man, just like I said, just a quick video, nothing too crazy. It's starting to rain out here now, which is crazy, but it is what it is. It's starting to rain a little bit out here, so we finna get up out of here. 302 gang. We, like I said, I'm gonna try to drop content every day. I'm gonna try to drop a video of me doing something every day. So y'all stay tuned, man. 302 gang, keep on checking in, man. Keep on liking the video. Keep on, you know, giving me the inspiration to keep going. Y'all be easy, baby. We out.
Let's get it. Every time I fall, I go even